Vegeta and Broly in this timeline, huh? Both of them are overflowing with power. Maybe I should say the three of them, right? I mean, since Gogeta is actually Goku and Vegeta fused. Well, at any rate, this is great! But I didn't come here just to watch them beat each other up. All right, time to begin my little experiment.
Huh? Hey, you! Get the hell out of here! It's not safe!
Sorry, Gogeta, but I'm gonna have to lock up some of your power, okay? Tag, you're it!
What the?
Okay, now let's see how changing this variable affects this timeline. Ooh, I can't wait!
Supreme Kai of Time, what is this place?
This is sometime after the tournament of power, with Goku and Vegeta and the one more Saiyan fighting.
Do you think this time rift just formed naturally, or do you think...
Clearly it was you who opened this rift. Can't imagine who or what else could have caused this. Anyway, that Holy God is unbelievably strong. I need you to give Vegeta a hand.
I don't know who the hell you are, but you seem like you can hold your own pretty well.
Strong enough to fight Vegeta after he's transformed into Super Saiyan Blue! How in the world are we going to fix a timeline like this one?
I think changing history in the same way each and every time would get totally boring. That's why I mixed things up a bit this time. Welcome. Oh boy, Broly might have the upper hand soon at this rate. Okay. Nice! I should get some good data from this. Now, how can I even the playing field? Check it out! There's a super powerful Saiyan here! I bet you guys want to fight him too, huh?
Where's this strong guy at, huh? Let me at him!
I think he's talking about that person. Seriously, you stop changing major parts of history!
Sorry, but I've got oodles of energy to gather, so that's gonna be a nil for me. And changing history is totally worth it, in my opinion.
I'd very much like you to stop changing history, though.
Things are finally starting to get kinda interesting. I'm not reaching the energy levels I was hoping for. I guess I screwed up my calculations. Well, this isn't very fun, now is it?
Damn! At this rate, we're gonna have to kick it in the oven. Kale! Let's show this meathead what happens when we get serious. Okay! Why don't I fill you punks in on what's what? You guys ain't the toughest Saiyans around. The toughest Saiyan in the multiverse is... right here! Hope you're hungry. I'm serving up lots of pain.
Now we're talking! Let's keep this fun train moving, shall we? Woo-hoo!
Here's an extra big one for you! This is where you die!
Man, time's up, I guess.
Not bad, although I'm still tougher.